Hey, I'm Alex, CEO of Remade, and this is Rahan, CTO.
Hey everyone.
We're super excited to announce the launch of Remade V2. We're introducing AI backgrounds and our new fine-tuning workflow. So today we're going to be demoing AI backgrounds, and the idea is you take a single image of a product, and within seconds you get high-quality, studio-quality product photo shoots. So let's imagine I'm an e-commerce store seller and I want to sell this Xbox controller online. I can take a simple smartphone image and upload it to the Remade web application. So Rahan's going to demo that now.
Perfect. Alex, if you could send me that photo, that'd be great.
Sure.
Let's do this. So today we're going to go through the AI backgrounds workflow. So let's scroll down and press start creating. So we have a tutorial for first time users, but in this case, we're going to skip that and go straight to uploading that image that Alex sent me. So here it is. As you can see, it's quite a poor quality image. So what we're doing here is we're going to do state-of-the-art background removal to identify your object. So there we go. So we're going to resize and place this image on the canvas now. Let's make this a little bigger and place it into the center. Let's find it right there. Perfect. So this really dictates where and how big the image is going to, the product's going to be in the image. And on the left here, we're using a vision language model to understand what your product is and suggest relevant photo shoots. So select this gaming paradise and purple power play. Users can optionally add custom photo shoots, and these are like photo shoots that we're going to generate based on the user's description. So I think a graffiti wall scene will look good for this controller. So let's add this as a custom photo shoot. That looks good. Let's click generate photo shoots and generate. Perfect. So we're going to upload that image and spin up our GPUs and start generating some images. Okay, so it looks like our results are back. And as you can see, we can really generate a wide variety of scenes, from really basic scenes to more complicated galactic gaming adventure scenes. Let's have a look at those actually. Wow, these are great. So a user can generate more images of a given photo shoot. They can upscale images or download them for use in the e-commerce platform or on social media or whatever they really want. And let's look at that graffiti scene. So yeah, as you can see, it's adhered to the user's custom prompt, and you can get really granular with these prompts as well. They don't need to be simplistic like this one. Thank you very much. We're super excited to see what you generate, and stay tuned for more updates from Remade. See ya.